Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a board on Pinterest. To keep your Pinterest inspiration board private using your PC, follow these steps. First, head to the Pinterest website. Then, log in to your account. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile picture. And then, select the pen icon located in the lower right corner of the board you wish to make private. Now, scroll down and select the toggle next to where it says Keep this board secret. And last, when finished, click Done. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.